How to remove filter from photo on Snapchat. Hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you remove filter from photo on Snapchat. So let's get started. On this process, firstly you'll have to open Snapchat on your device. So simply open the Snapchat. Okay, so after you open the Snapchat, you'll have to review that picture. You may want to remove filter on that. So for that, you'll have to swipe up from the bottom of your screen. So simply swipe up. Okay, so now from here, this is the image whom I want to remove the filter. So for that, you'll have to hold that picture. Okay, so after that, you'll got options like edit snap. So simply you have to go that option. Okay, so now from here you can browse the multiple effects or filters on the Snapchat app from the edit snap option. So from here, to remove the filter from that picture, you'll have to swipe right and go with the options like solid black color. So from here you can revert the original effect of your picture. So this is the easiest and simplest method to remove filter from photo on Snapchat. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.